Yay! I'm so excited. Happy Art Bop reopening. I'm so happy. I really miss the music. I miss the people too. Check. Yeah. This one is for the rain. Guess I'll head down tomorrow past there crooked pine and send you a postcard from farther down the line. Pretty faded pictures painted pink and black, just enough to turn you on back to the past. Oh, do there ain't no use in wondering just what might have been. We both know the story and know just how that story ends. All bent up and broken, I've come all undone. No good for anyone to call me home. Oh, can you feel the rain? Can you feel the rain? Falling down, falling down, falling down. Oh, Thank you.